In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a Y raise on a TRX. So firstly, this is a fantastic exercise for the muscles of the middle of your back. And what you're going to be doing, just as the name suggests, is you're going to be coming into a Y position with your arms. So they'll be completely straight. You're in Y position, think YMCA, and you're going to be doing that while suspended on the TRX. So firstly, when it comes to setting up the TRX, what I want you to do is I want you to find the front of your hip bone. So find the hips. From here, the TRX is just below at that position. What you're then going to do is you're going to come into a position where you've got your hands on both of the foam handles, so one hand on each foam handle, and start to walk back until you can feel that tension on the TRX. Once you've got that tension, what you're then going to do is you're going to start to extend your arms, trying to keep a nice neutral position from your head all the way to your feet. So you're going to have a diagonal position with the body, but you're trying to keep nice and straight in that diagonal position as opposed to the hips too far down or too far up. From here, what I want you to imagine is you've got your hands facing each other, so palms facing each other. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to come into a Y position by pulling up and away from my body, so pulling back towards the back of the room. So from here, I've got my hands facing each other, so palms facing each other. From here, I'm thinking, right, I'm going to bring my hands into that Y position by pulling back with my arms, keeping my elbows straight at all times. Now, if you're doing the exercise and you're thinking, well, it's a little bit too easy for me, what I want you to do is I want you to progress it by creating a more abrasive angle, so bringing your feet further forwards towards the TRX. From here, hands in that same position, and then when you come up into the Y raise, because you've started at a lower angle, it means that it's going to be a harder variation. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how to do a Y raise.